welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious and American classic pineapple upside down cake. This cake is the best pineapple upside down cake that I ever made. It is so fluffy and moist, so flavorful, and I know you will love it. So let's get started. So guys, we're gonna make the pineapple portion of the cake first. So here I have some maraschino cherries, some slices of pineapple, the one that comes in a can, brown sugar, and melted butter. So what we're going to do, you're gonna take a 9-inch cake pan. I am using this 9-inch cake pan that has like 9 high size. I bought this at Walmart. It cost me like $7. I didn't leave it because I was already in the register and I didn't want to, you know, I was like, okay, whatever, because I think $7 for this is kind of expensive. I don't know, that's me. So, but I like it because it's big and it has 9 high size, so it was perfect for this cake. So I decided to buy it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add the melted butter and I'm going to swirl the pan around because that way, so it could coat everything. And then we're gonna sprinkle the brown sugar, and with a spatula I'm going to pat everything together so it could be nice and uniform. Then I'm going to go ahead and place my pineapple slices. As I mentioned, these are the ones from the can. You can use fresh pineapple if you want, but these are just fine for me. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a maraschino cherry in the center of the pineapple. You don't have to do this, but it's traditional. So I'm just going to set that aside until I'm ready to use it. So in a separate bowl, we're going to go ahead and sift our dry ingredients. So I'm gonna use a sift and I'm going to add my all-purpose flour, my white sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and I'm going to sift it all together and set it aside. The reason I sift it is because it makes your cake nice and fluffier. So what I'm going to do now, in a jug I have some buttermilk, and I'm going to go ahead and add my eggs, my vanilla extract, the butter, and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to take that buttermilk mixture and add it to our flour, and using a whisk, you're going to whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth. So now we're going to take our batter and we're going to pour it on top of the pineapple. You're going to spread everything evenly, and we're going to bake these at a 350-degree Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. I recommend that you check your oven. Every oven is different, so I recommend that you check it at the 35-minute mark and see if the center comes out clean. If you have wet batter, you have to keep on baking until it's nice and done. So I baked my cake for exactly 40 minutes, and I allow it to cool a little bit in the pan, like for about 10 minutes, and then all I'm going to do is just put it on a platter and inverter. And as you can see, everything is nice and caramelized. The pineapples are nice and soft and delicious. The bottom part, where the pineapple is, it's just my favorite because it tastes like caramelly. It is so tasty. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for pineapple upside down cake. It is so tasty and moist. The recipe will be in the description box. I hope you get to try it. Send me a picture on my Instagram, Facebook, anywhere. I'll be more than happy to receive them. And I see you in my next upload. Bye.